Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Traverse LS all-wheel drive. Stock number X900A. 87,000 miles on this one owner. Trade-in comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Blue velvet metallic in color. This Traverse seats 8 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Ample cargo space in the rear with 60/40 split third row seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gate. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the center console, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 23 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.